push me.
They cry, yeah.
Watch where I don't get for the do live video. If I go see this as environment again,
she they cry here. Share the video.
10 days. You are not stepping your leg on this ass.
Ha, boy.
I want to have peace.
Hey, he said 10 days. He's not going to step his leg in this as he want get peace. This one is showing face for years more. He they cry here. When the
I want to have peace. The time when you get problem, now you be Enogie, not be now. When you don't see some more money. If man don't see some more money, now they know. Now they know good man. You have.
Now yeah. He said that they say small paja. I don't see I forget prank. Now Monica people they call the right prank. The one we fair put that and talk inside this video just like long. I don't want to play all of them. Say the one the first that I say na prank not be prank. She use a man confirm here oh. Mota watch the video to the end. You go here we talk and say the time we fair put the one we fair put the call prank. Say not be prank because you don't want leak am because you don't want talk too much. Now make you forget say na prank or tie when they talk and here.
So you were doing the best man.
When there was nothing, they do best man.
No, now outside I for years say my husband is so money like this.
Say he collect money. He no yeah. Now for outside, if I call the year say he collect a goal. Say he collect money. Mona year oh. I know I play all of that. Just 5 minutes. That many minutes. Now the year. Hey, she neke na mezoku. Now the year. She is passing through stress. They cry, yeah.
Your friend, they will tell you, say, no, the way they do is not good, you say you know you're right. And no, the way they do is not good, you say you know you're right. Not that your friends, you know they dream a man, right? You don't know how.
You know, yeah? Say the friend when he come from Spain, they tell you, no, the way they do is not good. They say he know he right. Say not be saying they support him. Man, yeah, even the bag of the guy when he come to their house, when he come from Spain, when he want to find house for you, if he sure. Nothing like prank. If he come to our own, they not they call a prank. If he come to their own, now they send a prank. Where for be prank? Assistant Social, they say go bribe that or you go make you see enter. When you cut a cut live video, I beg go, who talks in a prank kill you dear. Prank you boo. When assistant Social enter, now that one they say go bribe or you bo. When so we heard that two people will have a fight, police come. Now police contact those people when they come in house, so now so they be. So those one will go say na lie. Make sure no buy.
I wish he come for outside. My man know the reporter. He don't go believe.
Okay.
No, the way you they do it not good. Change. You need counseling.
Ha boy. He said the back of the advice and said change. You need counseling. Now lie. Mona not call her prank. The woman is in pain. She they cry. Now let they do prank. Why this? Now let they be couple for this social media. And now let they be baby father, baby mama. I better wanna stop that thing. Not be only they be baby father, baby mama for this social media one would day. So we should forget when something is going on. Now so matter take on that time for YouTube. There's one Igbo guy and one Ghanaian guy when they do YouTube, big YouTuber. When they start prank. Now later when they divide everybody do you now they content not say finally na truth. Mona not they turn the matter to prank. Never. As far as they show their face. Now waiting will not see where person go bring us. Maybe record. Okay, record the one and not see who do and say the truth. Who show his face don't talk. No go say na lie. I beg go. Mona forget that thing. Oh, Mona never call now. Mona wait. Oh, call the enter. I be one more fair plan first. Mona wait. We want fair plan first. Hello. Oh, don't cut. Mona wait. Maybe they call and lie, please.
You need counseling. You need big counseling. You need.
Mona wait now. Mona wait first. Hello. Hey, I greet you. How you day? Who be this one person they call? Ah, which kind of wahala be this? Hey, yeah.
The video where they do say mother is to play. The same thing our wife said today. Because I said Enogie the church amount that they gave the mother for house. Don't be black, now read.
Because if not be like not get it talk and say mother is supreme. God bless you. I see the video say mother is supreme. No matter what, don't love your mother. No matter you talking. Okay.
This one not be black, now read because this quarrel started since 3 days ago. Before I live with our friends, now they started quarrel. Just like the woman not be around. Now we can talk out. She don't be there. So other people say na
Prank
and
kid.
they are squad.
Now they are squad. Now Monica squad and they are squad. Yes. Shame doc they catch them.
Fasting and prayer and they work.
Yes. They never see anything. They just they start.
Even though you say you need to go about just to late daughter before you forgive them. Not see how many calls in their head.
Hey.
So many calls in their head, mama. So now when I leave you,
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Mona not come, Mona will play the part. I bet Mona never call. Because people they say na lie.
Say no, say your friend they support. And now, because if not they support me, you don't know me before.
Okay.
My mama, you just see fuck up. I go let her know her fuck up. Say, it too they do.
Okay.
But for this one, you have the big blame. Say me don't go carry back me, but they
Come out. Say one spoil the house. Hey. Mona yell, I want Mona yell where the assistant social for no when they enter. You know when they say na prank. Since you know they bribe Oyibo, Wadota, Mona bring proof. You know they talk Mona they bring proof acts. Ah. If you reach on a prank, if you reach on that people will not be prank. Mona listing. When they say will be that. Thank you for your star, my darling sister. Thank you. Okay.
Stop to the pay for the mail because he they go school. They want to give him 4 hours job for hotel. You don't want to go.
Okay.
You don't want to go.
Now yeah. Say no one go.
If you go do live video for us 10 days, if that 10 days still complete, I'll still make agreement. Say I don't want to move there together.
Okay. He said that 10 days. Now when they talk, oh. He said that is a complete go meet the third they say no one time again they not go there the size may go yo. Okay, oh there one more here at the ending. Without the name.
I go drag you go court. I'll go remove the children name for your name. Now wait till I'll do you rich people.
Ah boy. He say he go drag and go curry. He go remove the children picky commander for the day. Ah boy ski. You hear Monica, I know if it twist this one. Where you not sue na so na believe a record one not sue na say na truth. The one where you show it first they cry na prank or gbogbo this time around. Nothing that prank. If you lie mama Nora, let them see give you crayfish and bushmeat. You forget inside the pain. You see dwell in the prayer begin to cry there. Before you know it's too late to cry. Before they call collect those picky for you and now you go cry. Say they say I be mother. Say now you they say now you carry the belly now you receive the pain. If you use yourself your last. Let them not get enter that ass. Make it start in madness. Now you know that time you go the year when to for their hands. It concern me. We dey here they wash you. Make Monica because Monica not sue the fight for him again now. He go want to deceive you, make you for a give and space because they don't blow eyewitness for her now. Eyewitness not see matter talk with he see. Now I no get before no get eyewitness. So no more eyewitness when one can talk with it they happen for me. The only one go to carry low by itself. But when you give a no get that space to enter the house, make a no get call the douche like that when not clear. Now you know because eyewitness don't receive woto for her. No get come and say I come fight for your mama. We see where you want to video. No get banned. We know the background of the house. We don't snap her. We don't screenshot area. We don't screenshot all the background of the area and the we don't screenshot all the case of incasity. Mona there talato. He give una work now. Atalat. Anyway, all life video now, not 10 days. Say 2 days don't come on Sunday. Now this is the happen. Let's so be counting. He said 2 days I have left inside. 2 days I have left inside the 10 days. It remained 8 days. Saturday, they don't push eyewitness for I woto. They don't push eyewitness for I. Eyewitness not see what you see. Matter talk what you see. More the plan they go. My me.
I'll go remove your shit. Your name. Who be that?
They don't they knock.
Who be that?
Mona yell. Now the yera. Now where the assistant social for enter when they call the knock. Now be this so who be that? Because if I say maybe now they call Mona open her ear because Mona can not fear this except in a bridge you probably come knock for the door. They go do live video. They go take listen and prank. Una this one get sense. We don't no return there. No every day for thief, one day for the owner. Ma do why she not pokporokpo. And so now go bring on go to live video. You go do come and say tell us na prank. Now we go take listen about the math. If this one not there on a feature say na prank. I saw those people were involved. You have to go and do video. I call them, come inside the house, and when they come before, they will do live video with you. Say, Mother, it was prank. Well, you both for they do prank for that kind of thing. We want to know. Maybe now on our body, if they start. Mona, let us start, because we want lie. We not say we don't get said that kind of thing of happen for Germany. Now then. So if you go see call your husband, they can't tell the worldwide, say, na prank. Then we go no say, okay, finally, okay, na prank. Say, na prank, as far as that social come, na lie. Or say to now go bring the come, Mona, make the call do video, make the call to say it was prank. This will not be black voice. Mona, listen. Regardez là-bas. They don't they knock. Now you take get up. Mona de yao. Love and like, you guys. Made the sweet. You don't get up. The swore they go.
Yeah. Hello.
Mona yao.
Give us back. Yeah. You want to call me? Okay, you can call me, okay.
Una de yera, kive be, that's the area when he did. There's some people come and so. He pop down and say that the 5 children dead the house. After 2 days, they'll send those people come and so they do. Now so those people come now to call if they don't already enter the house, they don't open door. Una when they tell say na lie, thank you for your sir. Now nothing like lie here. Una de yera. So Monekia, before you back the sure you don't hear this voice now, you wrong. Because the time Monica take call here, those people never come. They don't feel deceive us, brainwash us. The time Monica called there and said, they don't go give Vera, that time, they never come. It's almost the ending of the video. Now God said, me will hear, know the truth. That is the reason why after Monica call, come on, go the lie. If you like Monica call, come enter live video. Not be after this ending. This ending prove it all that it is truth. So for those people that is having that, Mona go bring the people. He not say, come inside. He say, can we come inside? The many. That's to show that in your boom. So for now to come, they say una want brainwash us. As far this one is involved, almost the ending of the video. Before Monica was trying to brainwash it, when Monica call. That is when, after the ending of the video, now those people take come. They reach Chiri when he enter the house. So before you now call the town say na prank. Mona call the call house, make they do video because they reach Chiri plus the baby mama 4. Public life. I saw this one is even this one kokoroko kakaraka gang. They don't slap eyewitness for eye. No if you talk with your eyes, see, you know, don't see slap. So right now, when they talk na prank, beg go. Before you talk, say this video is a prank. Please tell them to do video and tell us it's a prank. Because white person involved here and they were not one. Mona listen regardez là-bas. When they talk say na prank or buwa. When I hear when the police they talk and say they hear say bok on the house. They call bok for the house. Mona they hear. Open your ear. Oh.
Hello. Okay. Hello. Yeah. The one that was there 3 days ago.
The night you had the fight with your husband? No, yes. It was my colleague.
Your colleague.
It was my colleague. They say you were fighting your husband. It was my colleague. That means not be in. Una yera regardez la ba me they say the love la. Una no put star for me. Is no but under the stage. Na em marry you. What be star jo? Because me they bring her. When they say na pian. I beg madam before you say na pian. I beg before you go pian. Whether na fly or na one fly. Because this pian, it don't tire me. Before now disappear to the team here. I beg. Mona confess prove this evidence we have on hand. This one is our evidence we have on hand. We hold on our key. In case anywhere, we go lock them. So before now, can say na pian, everything on the top pian. Oti ekba entire weakness for eye. When I see they say na prank, I beg those people that come here, we want to know them. Since they be prank, at the end of this video, when they want go deep into the matter, she now got to cut the live video. So when they hear her, gently, uwa fear, una sabi lie, una sabi use reality to turn prank, una sabi use reality to turn lie. Who not do something now say na truth, but if not do truth something now say na lie, on na can sin wa bolua. Mona here regardez là-bas, na this on our guesses. Una de yell.
Okay.
Yes, okay. And that's why we are here and would like to talk to you about what happened
Okay, that is why we are here. We like to talk to you for what happened. Okay. We forget say I be soldier because I never bring my assessor. When I forget say I may be the judge, the team for judge. Yeah, I'm home. A prank leader, a Monekia, come and explain this part for us. We like to talk to you for the thing that happened. They have entered inside the area, inside the Zima, inside the room. So they want to, thank you for your star. They want to enter inside Enogie, Ogbenaga, and the soup that done very well, and the one that is about to done, and the one that is already done, and the one that is not yet to done. So when it do it is a prank, it is a prank, it is a prank. No, what a prank? Me and not get problem. We the talk and jeje, mona bring proof and evidence because this part I've already said it all. Una we una sabi turn everything to prank. This part have already said it all. Regardez là-bas. Regardez là-bas.
Okay. Shall we come in or?
Yeah, come in, yes. Let me put my baby.
Hey, shall we come in or shall we? You know, say, can I come in? Shall we come in? There is Tori. Yes, I'm not there, but they are Tori. Tori. Oh, what by no? The way they talk, you know, say, can I come in? He says, shall we come in? That means they reach Tori. He didn't even reach 5. Regardez là-bas. Now their mama say, you want go pet picky for sleep. May they enter. Sata city policeman. Una we be Monekia crow. Shabo oge no oge belu wabagbo. Abe mona call different this part for us. This one etao. Jimmy. This one etao. They don't slap Monekia eye weakness for her. Eyewitness he don't collect woto. Ha boy. Shall we enter Moge? They don't enter inside your life. Agbo for. I say 1.5 for Monica. Shall you say because of crayfish? I tell you that fish where they eat every day. You say you can see agree say you be a wee boy. Now that for no say fini or you don't go. Regardez là-bas. All the scene when I read that scene, it can't transfer and enter inside a wee. Now you shop a wee. Now the thing began to develop for your body. So they slap you for a woto. He can't pay. Hey, I see the hold my people now. This part will take hold them. People will never understand this part. Now will take hold them. When I say now pink. Every day for the chief, every day for the chief, 1 day for the owner. Now every this one. Pink. So we don't. Everybody walk up pink. Walking now. So pink. Aye, una yo do sort of croak, una yo the shelter for us in a prank. Una yo do sort of yo the passion and redado, una go say na prank, be na give away. My be na make nice and no boy. Oh, go pink. Iyan gbele go awo wa. The one pa dia say, do come pink. We hen mena regardez là-bas. This part has said it all.
Yeah, okay. Mama, come here, okay?
You want to type it in sleep? No, this will not be Vera, you get matcha. Well, mena. They don't slap her weakness for her. You know, if you see my teta with issue. And mena local junction. Sister, they block her track. Boy, is that if he do you so the name, your name go come out for the children name. Sata, he hot. Oh, this one hot. This one enter. He enter, be no enter. May they say the yes or no, dear, please. Yes or no? Oh, la, bioma la. Oh, we if he do and so they go remove his salobo, mama, no. Not bypass you. You want bypass, you go automatic moswa. Oh, if you do a sote, or we go, you move the small children neck come up for inside. Monica, nobody to fight for you. And not get that seat is hot. Hey. The seat is hotting. You not sit on a hot seat. Okay, yes. Yeah, oh, my people. Oh, wala wa. Hey, oh, gapuku. Oh, my father. Mo dress oh. He really talk and say quick go enter Facebook if you open but it's a high time for the earthquake to enter. Olawa. Iye Olawa gbo. Iye ta o. Papa bomboy, mama boy. No, Papa girly, keke, Papa girly. They don't see a weakness for her. The gesture enter. That regards ba. Or if you logo you, ha logo ku, ho logo, if you wolo you, so easy me. Mama no. Remember the love. Remember the love where we are going on. You don't need to remember na joke I did. So who is calling him? Oh, pick one call before we regard the ba. Remember the loving that was went viral. Good evening.
Happy family, my lady.
We are fine. Regardez là-bas. They hear you.
Can I talk to you?
Yes, so we hear you.
When the oracle of social media, the oracle of social media is lovely and Enogie and the barrister.
Are you tired? I don't know where you go. If I say not there, it's like she's busy.
The barrister say if Enogie not take time, they will collect the children for your hand. Now they have to solve.
Hey.
Patient dog is the
Father's born. Hey. Love and life.
Mama, you do the priceless. The priceless. Mama said no, we take up to the children.
Hey.
No, because look at the twins, a year old. They be like 1 month old baby.
Hey.
If they want start for the take out those children, go do proper examination.
Hey.
See if it's good taken care of or not.
Hey.
You know that the social media of all for that lady, believe me, and they fear that lady.
Hey.
No God, whether we ever talk, we not come to pass.
Hey.
That lady do video, talk to Enogie with the so-called priceless. They're not fake.
Hey.
What do they have for now?
Hey.
Social worker is involved in your matter, especially against the king. It's very difficult to shut the door against them.
Hey.
It's very difficult.
Hey.
You know? Yeah, now, if they do things, if you want to look, before the twins were born, if you look at those videos, all those children, they be like 1 month old babies.
Oh.
They are not taken care of.
Hey.
They are not.
Hey.
You know, if you look, choose half when you born baby day. Born baby on the 2 to 10 o'clock.
9 o'clock in the night, go you the shout.
You want to sleep.
Thank you.
Sorry, I can tell you the beginning of that German government give us a better parents that will deal with this priceless woman. You know, the men, because they say men. Let's talk about the woman. Before you could get the leg, come born for man. You born of the king, yes. You born of the king, it can happen mistake. Nobody's above mistake. Don't make that mistake twice anymore. I said, not get this so, They trust Enogie with billions of pounds, with estate. Come just person where not get paper. If that trust I will go to the way life be property, I will choose that one, don't Enogie.
Hey.
Yes.
How many minutes?
With the cloth when you wear life be property, and not the way they put billions of pounds for your head and property, I go jump past.
Hey.
I go
Not the year.
because when they go do to you.
No, do
don't
bless.
do to us.
God bless you.
Come on,
You see,
you know what I'm so love about this world, Karma is a
Easy.
bitch.
Yes.
100 years is not
Forever.
forever.